Initially, we have two parts, Sovereign and Sion, which are the main parts of our company part and student part. First of all, we are going to the discuss about student part, which we named them as Sion, and the company part we named as Sovereign System. Let us uh, discuss about the student app, which is called as Sion. We are logging with some details which is taken previously. These are the dashboard which we have designed. You can see the courses enrolled and the achievements. You can search the users here. Yeah, here in the interface of dashboard, you can see the courses of a student enrolled and the achievements that of the user have gained and the what rank the student is in and the how many days the streak maintained by the student. We can see all in the dashboard, and also the common interests and the levels he used to start with the course or something in the in app will be registered here. And in the menu bar we have some most of the features like home, profile, my courses, such courses, all the menu you can see here we have implemented. Let's go to the my courses. Here we have included various courses related to the CSIT subjects. You can see the basic Java programming fundamentals, OS, compiler design, Python, Java programming, like various. Not only these are the randomly we have set some programming courses, but user can also predefine it that randomly, and they can learn from these courses. And the next we go to, let's go to the leaderboard. In this leaderboard, the various users connected to our application will be viewed in the list here, and the students among them will have competition, and with the student with high streak and high performance in the application will be viewed as the top leaderboard positions. By that, they will be have some competitive spirit and so on. Before that, I left over these two options like job board and my applications because these two are related to my other part of my for project, which is company portal sovereign system. We will discuss it soon. Okay, let's go to the social feed. In the social feed, it is nothing but community feed, just simply where all the students will have a common interface, just like our Instagram or LinkedIn, where the content related to all those things will be in a simple interface. Yeah, here they can post their views, like what they feel about the concept or anything, for just for randomly they can. And then after the next feature we goes to the progress. The progress feature is nothing but the tracking of the user, which the course he or she enrolled in, or the achievements they gained, or whatever the progress they are making in our application will be viewed here. Okay, and then next let's go to AI chat, and this is the one of the best part of our application. Okay, let's say hi and see it replies, and make sure, and I am sure that this assistant is only for educational purpose, which replies only for educational purpose. Let's say what is AI. Sorry, I spelled mistake. What is AI? Yeah, it gives answer. Yeah, likewise. Not only this, whatever the algorithm we ask for, the concept we ask to explain the AI, it will help us like a general AI assistance we see like in Google. Likewise, it happen. Okay, let's move to the next feature. The live contests. It will be length ఎక్కువ the live contests are related to the company portal, which will be organized by the company. Let's discuss in the company part. Okay, let's the next feature moves to learning reels. In this, just everything we just search like something concept like Java or Python, the content, everything comes related to that concept, just like shorts or any videos related to that subject. And let's go to the next feature. The next feature will be web page generator. Here we go. The ultimate arena comes to our application here. The craziest part will be here. Just say, like, let's say, build me a, sorry, build me a portfolio website. Boom. Yeah, let's simply, we have AI agents, like we ask for any prompt, it generates it. Even we made the same. But the thing is, with a single prompt, it not only generates a website, it gives a hosted website. With this URL, wherever the uh, link you paste it, even in your mobile or any other laptop or any system, the website will be open. Let's see. Yeah, this is the generated website by our AI. Yeah, the CSS is somewhat okay. Yeah, okay. Somewhat it designed better the website. You know what? We can modify the website with our prompt again. Let's go. Yeah, before we went to the browser option. Now let's see the live editor how it works. Yeah, this is what how AI generated our website when I asked for to create my portfolio website. These are the basic the elements which will have which will be in my website. I can modify it. Basically, every website usually have home, about, contact information, etc. Now let's edit our web page. This looks very simple. Okay, I ask for, let's change the background color. Change the background color to, let's say the background color to red. And you know what? If I enter the prompt and ask for get options option, the AI will analyze my prompt and give similar prompts which will be the better enhanced features to the web page. I like this prompt. I will choose this. If not, I can go back and with the prompt I chosen here previously, I can go directly update. It will be updated to my web page. Yeah, here you go. Boom. As I give the prompt, it acts randomly to my web page. It looks great, right? Yeah. Okay, let's move. Don't forget this. This is a hosted web page URL. Whenever this URL will be opened in any other website, it will be open. It will not only run on the local host. Generally, every AI generated websites will be run on local hosts. This will be not like that. This is the best part of our application. I say that. Okay, let's move to another feature, AI course generator. And this is the second superb feature in our application is that it will generate online courses with our choice. Let's say C++ is our desired one. It will generate the topics related to the C++ and it will have multiple modules in it and we can learn from scratch to the advanced level of the C++. Like the various concepts it has: introduction to C++, object oriented programming, file handling and advanced concepts, advanced C++ topics, project development. See, this AI generated courses will be enables the every user to get a brief idea from scratch to building a project level, not going like a how college learners. something random various. Okay, previously we generated courses like random Python, Java, but a student when prefers to generate some new preferred language, they can come here and ask for the topic or the subject. It will generates for a while, it takes time and it generates. Wow. Yeah, randomly we choose a topic and it takes a bit time. Hold on. Here you can see that it fetches randomly for us the videos or the concepts in the AI course generator. Okay, finally we have seen that many maximum features, and it has daily tasks like code challenge. Let's get into this. What it has, let's say it has like valid palindrome string. We know that we have a lead, not only the valid palindrome string. Whenever we open this daily characteristics, the AI will generate random uh, tasks for us. Just like lead code and code chef, we practice various problems. Likewise, it will be happening here. Also, we have separate editor IDE. Let's run this code. This acts like a compiler space where the code will be edited here, and then after editing, it will pass the test cases and will complete the task. And we have another feature like daily quiz. In daily tasks, we have three of the things. Like the first one is code challenge, and the second daily task we have is daily quiz generated by AI. Like randomly, the AI will generate five random questions, which will be related to the core. Let's see which keyword is used to define a function in Python. Just define. What is the output of print 2 star star 3? Data type of immutable data Python. How do you start a comment in Python? What does length function do? See, the AI analyzes the correct answers and gives a result of the quiz. Here I got 4 by 5. Yeah, I completed my task. And the third task by AI is word puzzle. Here the user will read the query given by the AI and he will thinks which will help the student to make a brainstorming solution. Let's read out the question and then think of the answer. If let's say I don't know the answer, I'm struggling a lot from a lot of time. I would like to use my hint. It reveals the first and last answer. Yeah, okay. I'm getting somewhat my answer, but still I'm not sure about my answer. I will go to another hint. Yeah, this is the correct answer. Yeah, finally we can reveal the answer. Likewise, we can have a brainstorming of thinking of something related to this. Let's submit the answer. Yeah, you can see finally I completed my daily tasks generated by AI. See, the streak will be increased. You can see here the streak is increased to 1. Likewise, the student will have the brainstorming, coding challenges, everything. The AI will provide a calendar where the student can see how regularly he is practicing and how gap he is taking on in the one application. This is what happens. So I hope you have learned well and get a clear understand about our student application. Let's jump into our okay. Now let's see the profile details. You can see like every social media platform is having some details we can edit. We can see here. Let's say the name is Sai Kumar. I can edit my name or I can set my profile picture. It's full of dynamically. You can edit the phone number. Also, you can make the account private or public, or you can add the bio itself. I am an CSIT student. Likewise, it actually access very dynamically, like how our WhatsApp or Instagram literally we use them. Let us copy my GitHub link and I would like to paste here. Yeah, my portfolio generator skills. I have Flutter, Java, interests. See, why I'm typing here is to see show you another boomerang of our application. Just wait a moment. I have certifications like Oracle, Google, okay, some other. Okay, let's generate portfolio website with these details I have. You don't bother about my details. Just see with the output what I'm going to show you. Okay, when I click on all the details I have given in my profile and click on generate portfolio website, here I will got the link. But here the thing I need to mention to you is when I pasted the my GitHub URL, it analyzes the projects I have uploaded in my GitHub repositories or the my GitHub performance, how it will be my profile. All will be analyzed by this AI generator of portfolio, and this will be all showing together in the portfolio website. You can see in the website generated by AI. Let's see. Yeah, here. You see, previously in my portfolio profile of our application, I just mentioned some of the details only. But here it shows a lot of details, the projects. These projects are nothing but the repositories which I have developed in my GitHub portfolio, sorry, GitHub profile and everything. It analyzes and shows the website like this. Okay, cool. My GitHub profile. Yeah, here you go. This is my GitHub profile. Yeah, mainly it takes my GitHub as a base and generates the portfolio website like this. These are the projects I have done. It shows. This mainly grabs the recruiter eyesight to the projects mainly I have done on. This is a good thing to showcase our skills in our resume. Okay. Well, it's about to conclude about the student session. Yeah, well, it's time to conclude about the student part. I hope you all understood the options or the features we have implemented here in the student part. Maximum covered all the things which I have developed in our application. Well, it's a basic thing from other applications. Okay, let's get to the second part of our application is the company portal, which we named them as sovereign system. That sounds great. Yeah, let's log in. Okay, after logging into the our company portal, dashboard will be viewed like this. These are nothing but the users. These are nothing but the students who are using our application will be viewed here. And these are the positions of their hash 1, hash 2, hash 3 is their positions. These positions are calculated by the students' overall performance by their daily streak of their coding challenges or the things which are generated by AI. They're solving problems and everything will be generated and analyzed. The AI will denote their positions in our application of our company. Okay, here you can see this various users in our application. Okay, mainly it allows company people to recruit the users according to their positions. When they click on this recruit option, they'll be getting their as job title and message like description what they want to send to the user, and they'll send the professional offer option. This will be sending to their email ID, which will let users know there they will be having recruitment, and accordingly they will be attending the recruitment. This is nothing but a Zoom link, which will they attend by their, yeah. Here the recruiter sent an email ID to Chidila's student. Yeah, this is the mail we sent by the company. The student will just click on the join interview meeting. It will redirect to the Zoom app application. It will be downloaded and he will be attending there. And the next feature we see here is, yeah, in this feature, the recruiter will create a course randomly. Let's say here is Java FST. The course the company recruiter will create, and this will be enrolled and complete. Challenges will be learned and completed by the student. What the module should be there inside the course, everything will be decided by the recruiter. And if, yeah, previously we have seen here the Java FST based on the domain, whoever the student will apply to the company, the resume will be calculated by AI regarding their ATS score and the technical score and experience and culture of their resume and everything, their overall performance. Basing on these norms generated by and decided by the company, it will be, we can see here the resume there. Basing on this, the recruiter will come to know that whether to recruit the user or not. Before that, we can see here in the student part how to apply. We'll go to the feature of job board, which we skipped previously. In this, the company previously created some course job domains like Java FST Java. In this, the student can randomly go to this section, and they can submit their application with their GitHub links and uploading their resumes. By this, by filling these sections in the student app, the student will know the form will submitted to the company recruiters. Okay, fine. And also our company portal will be having some contests, which is the most competitive spirit creating in the students in between apart. Here the company wants to always recruit the most challenging and skilled persons. So they will be creating some contest with their, so basing on their requirement, they will be, the company recruiters will be creating some contests, and that will be attended by the students. Fine. And the next feature we created is one of the dominant feature, I say that, is proctoring. Majorly these days, however the interview is going on, the proctoring is getting somewhat low. But by using this, so just like the interviews they are going on, the contest will be attending having as the full of proctoring system, where the user will write whenever the company people will start proctoring section, the student will go to the live contest feature of our application, and the contests which are created by the company will be listed, and student will join the particular live contest, and there what the company decided the contest will be joining. And we can see that the demo of the student preview will be seen here. Currently I have off my webcam, no worries. Yeah, this is what, sorry guys. Yeah, so this is what the student will be live monitored by the company recruiters. And let's go to the IDE of the given problem by the company. The student will choose the respective language he decide to, and whatever the problem is given, he will solve this, and whatever the code he is going to perform, everything will be seen by the recruiter. Okay, that's fine. And whatever the code he written here, he can run and save. The output will be viewed down. And whenever the student makes the tab shifted or the window shifted, he'll definitely notice by the recruiter, and the caution will be sent to the student. Let's say the student changes the tab. He can see now. You can see in the here the AI will observe this and notifies to the recruiter that app is left from the focus. Yeah, you can see. Wow, this is insane. Wow, the user turned to the tab. Yeah, wow, you can see the live experience of this. Yeah, I guess you liked it. Let's go to the next feature, courses. Yeah, in these courses, not only the predefined one, the randomly like various current technology like AI or any other features courses will be created by the company and will be offered to the student. Those will be attended by the student by logging into our application, and basing on their performance, this company will be recruiting them according to their performance. Among them, they will short out the people. Okay, well, this is all about our company portal sovereign system. So this is our Sion, which is a student app, and the sovereign system, our company portal. Combinedly, we called as Sovereignix. So I hope the two parts of our project you liked very well and understood very clear. So thank you, Team Kaizen.